What is your definition of feminism?
The equal treatment of men and women.
The fact that men and women should be equal.
A belief that everyone should be equal.
Females looking for gender equality.
Trying to make sure there's no inequalities just because of gender.
Do you think feminism matters?
Yeah.
Yes!
When you hear the term feminist or feminism, what pops into your head?
It might be that one symbol of like a fist with the bottom of the female symbol under it.
A fight for equality that is a mixture of, well, pureness and also a, I don't know, possibly as a, became a little toxic, but it's still on the right track.
Trying to achieve like equal treatment of men and women.
Can men be feminists?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
yeah, I would say so, yeah.
I guess.
I don't know the exact definition of feminism of whether or not it can include.
Are you a feminist?
No, I'm not a feminist.
Yes.
Yes, most definitely.
I really thought about it, but I mean, I do believe people shouldn't be like treated differently just because of their gender.
Yeah, sure. I mean, I don't see anything wrong with equality.
I would say so.